Has someone did you injustice? Sometimes life isn't fair, but now we're going to take care of it. Let's begin. For this spell, you're going to need a lemon, 1 black candle, 1 bay leaf, 1 match, 1 pen, chili, and optionally you can add some pepper. Make sure that before doing anything, you smudge your space 3 times clockwise with sage, palo santo, or a cinnamon stick. First, we will write the name of a person who is causing us harm or gossiping us, and we will fold it from us, away from us, opposite direction 3 times. After that, we will put this name inside of a lemon. Optionally, you can also add the name carved in a black candle for better result. And you will put the candle inside of the lemon. And the baby, we are going to write justice. And we will connect the match with the bay leaf. We can use a candle wax. So just take 1 candle and cover it with wax so it will hold. After a minute or 2, our bay leaf is ready. We are going to put chili peppers on the lemon underneath, and also additionally some hot peppers that cover it. Then you will add your match as you prepare it. Set the black candle on fire. As the candle is burning, you will visualize and see it with affection. For every word, for every lie, the scale of justice shall reply. No curse I cast, no harm I send, only balance I hear. Now visualize it. For every word, for every lie, the scale of justice shall reply. No curse I cast, no harm